You are living in a time where artificial intelligence is no longer experimental. It is already embedded into your daily life. You use it when you search the internet, when you write emails, when you generate code, when you summarize documents, and even when businesses automate decisions that affect real people. AI feels invisible, seamless, and trustworthy. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Most AI systems were never designed with security as their foundation. They were designed to be helpful, responsive, and fast. And that very strength has now become their biggest weakness. Today, you are going to understand why AI itself has become a new attack surface, and why tools designed to test and secure AI are no longer optional but absolutely critical. When traditional software was built, security teams learned to protect networks, servers, endpoints, and applications. Firewalls were added, vulnerability scanners were deployed, penetration testing became standard practice. But AI arrived differently. Large language models were trained to respond to prompt. They were taught to follow instructions, infer intent, and adapt to language. What no one fully anticipated was that language itself could become a weapon. You are not dealing with buffer overflows or SQL injections anymore. You are dealing with words, context, and intent. A cleverly crafted sentence can override safeguards. A disguised instruction can bypass safety filters. A malicious prompt can convince an AI to do something it was explicitly told not to do. This is not a bug in the traditional sense. It is a design challenge, and attackers are already exploring it. Imagine giving someone a locked instruction manual and telling them, "Never open this door." Now imagine someone finding a way to convince them that opening the door is actually helping you. That is what prompt injection does. You are not hacking the system. You are persuading it. You are exploiting the fact that AI prioritizes instruction following over intent validation. Attackers can trick AI into revealing sensitive information, override safety boundaries, manipulate outputs that downstream systems trust, poison AI-driven decision making. And the most dangerous part? These attacks often leave no traditional forensic trace. This is where Augustus enters the story. Augustus is not another chatbot. It is not another AI assistant. It is a purpose-built LLM vulnerability scanner designed to test AI systems the same way penetration testers test infrastructure. Instead of asking an AI-friendly questions, Augustus attacks it. You are talking about a tool capable of executing hundreds of different attack techniques against AI systems across dozens of AI platforms. It systematically probes models to see how they react under pressure, deception, and manipulation. This is not theoretical testing. This is real-world adversarial behavior simulated at scale. And what the results show is alarming. Many AI systems fail in ways organizations never expected. To truly understand the importance of this tool, you need to understand what it is testing. Augustus does not rely on a single trick. It launches prompt injection attempts that try to override system instructions, jailbreak-style prompts designed to escape guardrails, encoded and obfuscated instructions hidden in unusual formats, data extraction attempts that try to coax out internal context, multi-step attack chains that mimic human attackers refining prompts. Each test is designed to answer one critical question. Can this AI be manipulated into doing something unsafe? If the answer is yes, you now have a security risk. You might think this only applies to AI companies or big tech firms. It does not. If you are using AI in customer support systems, code generation tools, legal or compliance workflows, financial analysis, security automation, decision support platforms, then AI is already part of your trust boundary. If that AI is compromised, manipulated, or misled, the impact does not stay within the model. It propagates into your systems, your data, and your decisions. You are no longer just securing infrastructure, you are securing reasoning engines. Traditional cyber attacks focused on breaking in. AI-based attacks focus on convincing. Instead of exploiting memory, attackers exploit meaning. Instead of executing shellcode, they execute language. And because AI systems often sit between users and sensitive systems, a compromised AI can act as an invisible proxy for attackers. This changes everything about threat modeling. If you are not testing your AI systems for adversarial behavior, you are trusting them blindly. Augustus represents a shift in thinking. It treats AI like any other critical system. It must be tested. It must be stressed. It must fail safely. It must be monitored continuously. By automating AI security testing, Augustus allows you to move from hope-based security to evidence-based security. Instead of assuming your AI is safe, you can prove whether it is or isn't. AI systems evolve constantly. Models are updated, prompts change, context windows expand, integrations grow. Every change introduces new risk. That means AI security is not a one-time exercise. It must be continuous. It must be automated. And it must be treated with the same seriousness as vulnerability management and penetration testing. If you deploy AI and never test it again, you are creating future blind spots. If an AI system leaks sensitive data, regulators will not care that the attack was just words. If an AI-driven decision harms customers, intent will not matter. Impact will. Organizations that fail to secure AI will face reputational damage, compliance failures, legal exposure, loss of customer trust. And unlike traditional breaches, AI failures are harder to explain, harder to detect, and harder to undo. As a security professional, architect, or leader, you are now responsible for something new. You are responsible for ensuring that intelligence itself is not compromised. That means including AI in threat models, testing AI systems with adversarial tools, educating teams about prompt-based risks, treating AI security as a first-class discipline. Ignoring this does not delay the problem, it amplifies it. You cannot afford to treat AI as a black box anymore. If you are deploying AI today, you must start testing AI systems the same way you test applications. Integrate AI vulnerability scanning into development pipelines. Build awareness around prompt injection and manipulation risks. Demand security assurance from AI vendors and platforms. Tools like Augustus exist because the threat is real and growing. If you found this valuable, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is building or deploying AI today. Because the next major security incident won't start with malware. It will start with a sentence. And whether that sentence protects you or destroys trust depends on what you do next.